Behind the scenes pit crew action for you here. We had a little technical difficulty. The front brake.
The line snapped right off the master, and that's why you bring a parts bike to the races. So
this master cylinder line was snapped on the
line coming directly off the master cylinder.
So we robbed the one off of my bike, my 97, and put it on Junior's 89.
90% sure it's because of a crash that went down on that side, and it was probably just sitting there waiting to we touched it. And
so we've learned the hard way through many years of racing. You got to bring a parts bike because shit always breaks, and unless you're a factory team with every part. Captain John Grier here is spinning the wrenches for us in the pits, and Joe Monroe just went out for his moto. How'd it go, Joe?
Got a fairly good start. I was pretty happy. Then went down before the first lap, before the checkered, and pretty good. But it got back on, kept pushing, and picked a few people off. And I'm excited for the rest of the day.
Awesome. First motocross at Southwick.
Yes, it is.
That's a big day for you, brother. Good luck.
Oh yeah, thank you.
So we're trying to get Junior dialed back in here. Stay tuned. We'll be back on the gate shortly. Kind of bummed out. The Wizard was supposed to be here today with us spinning the wrenches, and he's like, yeah, I'm coming. I'm bringing my whole toolbox. Doesn't call, doesn't show up. We called him this morning. I'm guessing that he was at the strippy. He probably closed it and drank a little too much, but he totally teabagged us. And we have this little ghetto toolkit here. I didn't bring my box with me because we supposedly had a mechanic coming. So he was going to race and pit with us, and kind of bummed he didn't show up, man. And the no call, no show is definitely a real bummer.